going to try to see if I can put the dirt in the hole on my own on this one. And make it level. So we'll see. I'm probably going to end up getting hit in the head again. Oh, I need my ladder. There we go, I figured it out. Come here. You don't want to put stuff like that back in there.
What is that?
That's some kind of vine or root. But that stuff rots.
Dirt only, right?
Yep.
Rocks.
Yeah, rocks are okay. I'm going to try to fill the hole up so deep. And then I'm going to try to... Oh, look at that. Put it in the back. Put it in the back. Right. Did the same daggone thing.
You can use cement though, right?
Well, yeah, preferably that's what you want to do, really. Let's see. I mean, you see how it... I should be able to level it up on my own. But we'll see.
Well, time will tell. Let's see how she did.
Try not to get it cockeyed. Oh, I know it's not level. I just got the dirt in around it. Oh, that's got a staple on the top.
That's probably where they...
With that up there.
They probably stapled the price there.
Watch me fall off. That'd be good content, wouldn't it?
Yeah. Might get a lot of views.
Well, I'm not in it to be a movie star. I'm in it to just document my work here on the farm with my wife. That's it.
Well, you know people love to see people get hurt.
Yeah. Let me get my hammer. If I'd have slowed down and looked, I would have caught that. But I'm getting a late start today. That would have threw the whole thing off. I would have messed around with that for forever and it never would have got it level.
So is it level?
Not yet. I have to fine tune it here, my dear. That's level. Can you see?
Just a second. Let me get closer.
I don't believe it is it?
It looks level. Looks like it's in between those lines.
I think we can get it a little bit.
Yeah, right there.
Now let's make sure it's level on the other side.
Well, you'd think if it's level on one side, it'd be level on both.
That ain't the way it works.
It's weird.
I can't see it. Yeah, that's good.
Yep.
And we'll try not to touch it and put more dirt around it.
Okay.
Set that over there since I'm liable to get hit in the head. I think if this hit me in the head, I might well be out for a while.
Yeah. Well, I must have zoomed really in.
Get good film now, because the guys and ladies want to see what's going on. That's why they're here.
Yeah, I know.
They're not here to sit and listen to me talk. They're here to watch me work. Ow. Did you put that in there?
No.
Alright. Daggone it, this is gonna be a little bit. Or no, that's good. You gotta watch that perfectionist in me. I'll sit and waste all kinds of time doing that. I believe it's good and level. That's that Marine Corps stuff that they drilled into my brain. If you do it, it's got to be perfect because you're representing the Corps.
A United States Marine. A Marine is characterized as one who possesses the highest of military virtues. He obeys orders, respects his seniors, and strives constantly to be the best at everything that he does.
Right?
Yeah.
Alright, let's push it down evenly on both sides before I lay the hammer down to it. Really, we need a little bit more dirt right here. For some reason, it's like a bunch missing. Oh, that's where that feeder was.
Just take some dirt in the
I'm
room.
going to. I'm just talking to myself and the camera, that's all.
Okay.
All right, let's lay the hammer down. What do you guys say? I guess I moved right in time. Huh?
Yeah.
You'd think that I would learn.
Set traps for yourself.
I forget it's up there. All right, let's check it one more time. Okay. Now we'll get it in there good. Okay. You want to come and look? Because all I'm going to do now is just push the rest of the dirt in and tap it down with my hand. Make sure it focuses in. That way they can see.
Yep, I see it.
Okay. We'll move over here. Or would it be better for me to stand up there and hold my hand behind it? That one's close, but it's still level. It's right on the line.
Okay, let's zoom in. Yep, I see it. That looks perfectly level, actually.